Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a blessed day. Today I'm going to show you how to print my patterns in Adobe Acrobat using the poster mode. This is really handy if you need to print large patterns on multiple sheets and piece them together. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Acrobat and load the pattern you want to print. I selected the hen pattern. Next, go to the top menu, then select Print from the drop-down menu. This will open up the Print Settings window. Now here's the important part. Under Page, Sizing, and Handling, select Poster. This option will allow you to print your pattern across multiple pages. Once you select Poster, you will see some additional options. You can adjust the tile scale to control how big or small each tile of your pattern will be. I usually keep it at 100%, but you can adjust it based on your needs. Next, check the overlap setting. This controls how much each page will overlap with the adjacent ones, making it easier to piece them together later. A typical overlap of a 1/2 inch works well for most patterns, and that's what I use for my patterns. Take a look at the preview on the right side. It shows you how your pattern will be divided into tiles. This is a great way to make sure everything looks good before printing. Once you're happy with the settings, go ahead and click Print. Your printer will start printing the pattern on multiple sheets. Make sure you have enough paper loaded. And there you have it. Once you have all your pages printed, you can start piecing them together. Use the overlaps to align the pages perfectly and tape them together. Now you're ready to cut out your pattern and start your project. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you do have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you all so much for the love on my faux cutter quilt barnyard pillows video. I really appreciate it. And until the next video, God bless.